In the days after a long drought, the land of Judah cracked open like broken pottery. Wells that once sang with water gave back only dust. Even the birds grew quiet. Among the people lived a man named Eliab. Faithful in habit but weary in heart. He still went to the temple. He still lifted prayers. Yet, inside, everything felt dry. Eliab remembered the songs of David, "The Lord is my shepherd," but now the words felt like echoes in an empty valley. His prayers seemed unanswered. His service felt heavy. He wondered in secret, has God withdrawn, or have I? One evening, Eliab met an old Levite sitting near a withered fig tree. The Levite watched the sky and said, "Dryness is not always a curse. Sometimes it is a signal." Eliab sat beside him. A signal of what? That the soul, like the land, needs water, but not all dryness comes from the same cause. The Levite asked Eliab to speak honestly before God, as the psalmists once did, not polished prayers, truthful ones. Eliab confessed prayers that felt unanswered, fatigue from doing good without rest, hidden disappointment he never named. Grief he rushed past instead of grieving. The Levite nodded. "You have named the cracks. This is how hydration begins. Pour out your heart before Him. God is a refuge for us." Psalm 60:2-8 practice. Stop pretending fullness. Pray plainly. Write or speak your dryness, without editing it, returning to the source, not the noise. The Levite led Eliab away from the crowds to a quiet place, like Elijah at Horeb. There was no thunder, no fire, only stillness. Many grow dry, the Levite said, because they drink constantly from noise, opinions, duties, expectations, but neglect the quiet presence of God. Practice, create daily stillness, not to perform devotion, but to receive presence. Even 10 quiet minutes can reopen a well. Be still, and know that I am God. Psalm 46. Obedience as water. Eliab expected mystical answers. Instead, the Levite asked, "Is there a small act of obedience you've delayed?" Eliab knew the answer. A reconciliation he avoided, a generosity he postponed, a truth he softened. When Israel thirsted, the Levite said, water came after they followed. Practice, take one clear, simple step of obedience. Dry souls often rehydrate through movement, not feeling. Rest is not a luxury. The Levite reminded Eliab of Elijah collapsing under the broom tree. God did not rebuke him, He fed him and let him sleep. Some prayers go unanswered, the Levite said gently, because the soul is exhausted, not rebellious. Practice, rest as worship. Sleep, step back, let your body recover. God often restores the soul through the body. He restores my soul, trusting the hidden spring. Weeks later, rain finally came. The ground drank deeply. But before the rain, something else had changed. Eliab's heart no longer panicked in the dryness. He learned that God was present even when feelings were not. That roots grow deeper in dry seasons, that wells are often underground long before water appears. Blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord. He will not fear when heat comes. Jeremiah 17:7-8. The lesson: spiritual dryness is not proof of abandonment. It is often an invitation to honesty, rest, obedience, stillness, and deeper trust. The soul does not need cliches. It needs water. And God, who brought water from the rock, still knows how to hydrate a thirsty heart. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.